Hey everyone, welcome to Moto Vlogs. Today I am installing Deluxe Rider foot pegs on my Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650. Now here is the stock foot pegs on the left and right we will be upgrading. Now let's unbox the new OEM Deluxe Rider foot pegs. Here, taking the new foot peg out of the packing and checking the fitment on the left side first. And this is how the right side looks. For this job, I am using a snap ring pliers to remove the foot peg clip. This is the snap ring location on the left side foot peg mount. Now I am removing the snap ring carefully using the pliers. Now the left foot peg comes off. Keep the pin, spring and hardware safe because we will reuse them. Now I am installing the new foot peg and aligning the spring inside. This is the most important part. Align the spring carefully, then insert the pivot pin back into the place. I am using a screwdriver to sit the spring properly and make sure everything fits correctly. Now reinstall the snap ring carefully and left side is done. Here is the difference between the upgraded left side and the stock on the right side. Now I am repeating the same removal process on the right side foot peg. Insert the spring and pivot pin the same way, then check that fitment is perfect. Now reinstall the snap ring to secure the right side foot peg in place. Right side fit check and underside view. Everything looks properly seated. Left side fit check, underside view and one final side angle shot. Here is a slow full 360 walk around of the bike with both the Deluxe Rider foot pegs fully installed. Now testing the comfort. Right side feels solid while braking and the left side feels smooth while shifting gears. Definitely more comfortable than the stock. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to Moto. And more DIY installs and ride content coming soon. Thank you so much.